Alice buys songs online. The number of songs she buys and the total price to buy those songs are, here's a key word, proportional to one another. She determines that the total price to buy 20 songs is D dollars. How could Alice determine the total price in dollars to buy 30 songs? All right, well, the key phrase here is proportional. And proportional means multiplicative. That means multiplication. So if you right away look at A and B, you're going to cross both of those out because A mentions adding. Nope, that's not multiplicative. And B mentions subtracting. That's not multiplicative either. So it's either going to be C or D. Now C says multiplying D by 2/3 because 30 times 2/3 is 20. Now that can't be right, because we want to figure out when starting with 20. This guy starts out with 30. They went in the wrong order. So it's not going to be this one. The answer is going to be D, because first off, it states that it's multiplication. That's big. And it recognizes that buying 1.5 times as many songs would change the total price by a factor of 1.5. You start out with 20, you multiply 1.5, that's proportional, you get 30. D is going to be your answer. D is going to be your answer.